Good morning, students. Today we will solve this problem of analytical petty cash book. See the problem. From the following information, prepare analytical petty cash book on impressed system in the books of Kapil Traders. May 1st, received rupees 4,000 for petty cash. This amount is received from the head cashier. May 2nd, paid postal expenses rupees 250. May 2nd again, paid taxi fare rupees 170. May 3rd, refreshment expenses rupees 310. May 3rd, STD charges rupees 70. Again 3rd May, purchased pen, pencils and voucher book etc. rupees 425. These are stationery items. 4th May, purchased postage stamps rupees 60. 5th May, bus fare rupees 90. Again 5th May, paid for office tea and coffee rupees 110. These are refreshment items. May 6th, telephone charges rupees 370. 6th May again, miscellaneous expenses rupees 80. Bought snacks for customer rupees 180 and paid for stationery rupees 210. Okay, so now let's prepare a petty cash book for these transactions. Let's start. So now we will prepare analytical petty cash book in the books of Kapil Traders. See the columns. Date and particular columns are common. This is receipt side, amount received and cash book folio will be here, and this side voucher number, total payment will be written in total payments column and then in respective column. Okay, in this problem of Kapil Traders there are postal expenses, similarly stationery expenses. We have written this problem already. So there are columns of stationery, postage, then telephone expenses are there, conveyance, refreshment etc. So we will prepare accordingly the columns in this petty cash book. प्रॉब्लेम वाचल्यानंतर प्रॉब्लेममध्ये कोणती हेडिंग्स आहेत हे बघून त्यानुसार हेडिंग्स आपण प्रिपेअर करू शकतो. पैकी प्रत्येक प्रॉब्लेममध्ये पोस्टेज अँड टेलिग्राम, प्रिंटिंग अँड स्टेशनरी, ट्रॅव्हलिंग अँड कन्व्हेयन्स, मिसलेनियस एक्सपेन्सेस हे असणारच आहेत. त्याच्या व्यतिरिक्त कधी कार्टेज असेल, कधी रिफ्रेशमेंट असेल, कधी टेलिफोन एक्सपेन्सेस असतील, असं त्याप्रमाणे आपण कॉलम्सच्या हेडिंग्समध्ये चेंज करायचं आहे. ओके, सो प्रिंटिंग अँड स्टेशनरी, postage and telegram, then travelling and conveyance, then in this problem there will be telephone charges, so telephone expenses or charges, then refreshment charges are given in this problem, so refreshment, and miscellaneous expenses or sundry expenses. So we have prepared all these columns in this petty cash book of Kapil Traders. Now let's start solving the problem. From the following information, prepare analytical petty cash book in the books of Kapil Traders on the impressed system. Month is May of 2016, so date will be 2016 May. Okay, now on 1st May received rupees 4,000 for petty cash rupees 250. So sorry, on May 1st received rupees 4,000 for petty cash, so entry will be on receipt side, May 1st to cash account, because this cash is received from the head cashier and amount is in receipts column rupees 4,000. Okay, this is the entry of receipt side. Now see this entry of 2nd May. In 2nd May they told us that paid postal expenses rupees 250. So on May 2nd, now entry of expense, so by postal expenses you can write, or you can write by postage, anything. So by postal expenses 250 in total payment columns first, and then in postage and telegram column 250 dash in other columns. Understood? Now next entry is of May 2nd again. Taxi fare rupees 170. So on 2nd May, by taxi fare amount is rupees 170. It will be in total payments column, and it is related to traveling and conveyance. So again in column of traveling and conveyance, and dash in other columns. Here you can also write by conveyance. Okay. Now next, 3rd May, refreshment expenses. So on 3rd May, by refreshment expenses, amount given is 310, first in total payment column, and then in refreshment column. Here is refreshment column, so 310 and dash in others column. Then May 3rd again, STD charges rupees 70. So by STD charges, मेन अकाउंटचं नाव लिहायलाच पाहिजे असं नाही, डिटेल तुम्ही इथे लिहू शकता. सो 17 टोटल पेमेंट्स कॉलम, अँड STD charges are related to telephone expenses. So in the column of telephone expenses rupees 70 dash in other columns. Understood? Now next, on May 3rd again, purchase pen, pencils, voucher, book, etc. So this is stationery. So on 3rd May, आता मी पेन पेन्सिल वगैरे सगळं लिहायच्याऐवजी स्टेशनरी असं लिहिते. तुम्ही पेन पेन्सिल असं लिहिलं तरी चालेल. ओके. बाय स्टेशनरी, टोटल अमाऊंट गिवन इज 425. सो 425 इन टोटल कॉलम, अँड देन इन प्रिंटिंग अँड स्टेशनरी कॉलम 425 डॅश इन अदर कॉलम्स. देन ऑन 4th May, परचेज पोस्टल स्टॅम्प्स. सो 4th May, बाय postal stamps, amount in total column 60, and then in postage and telegram column 60 dash in other columns. Now 5th May, bus fare, by bus fare. नॉर्मली डिटेल्सच इथे लिहिली जातात, म्हणजे कशासाठी खर्च केला आहे तेही कळतं. बस फेअर हे ट्रॅव्हलिंग अँड कन्व्हेन्सशी रिलेटेड आहे. गिवन अमाऊंट इज 90 रुपीज. सो 90, अँड in traveling and conveyance 90 rupees dash in other columns. Paid for office tea and coffee 110. So on 5th again, by office tea and coffee, which is known as refreshment. So 110 in total column, and in refreshment column 110 rupees. Now telephone charges on 6th May, by telephone charges, total amount given is 370. So 370 in total column, and in telephone expenses column 370. Okay. Now next, after telephone charges on 6th May again, miscellaneous expenses. Amount given is 80, and in miscellaneous expenses column 80 rupees. Then again on 6th, dot snacks for customers. So on 6th May, by snacks for customers, total amount 180 in total column, and in refreshment column 180. Then paid for stationery 210, again by stationery account. Total amount is 210, and printing and stationery 210 dash in other columns. So let's check if all the figures are written or not. First, amount received from head cashier 4000, then postal expenses 250, taxi fare 170, refreshment expenses 310, then 70 STD charges 425, stationery postal stamps 60, 90 rupees for bus fare, then 110 for again refreshment, telephone charges 370, miscellaneous expenses 80, snacks for customers 180, and stationery 210. Okay, now we have to add all these items. So let's make addition. या सगळ्या कॉलमचे ॲडिशन्स करायचे आहेत आपल्याला. $635 here, making mistakes again. See here, now I have passed the journal entries. First entry will be for the amount received from head cashier at the beginning of the week. Petty cash account debit to cash account 4000. Then on all expenses accounts are debited to petty cash account. Various petty cash expenses incurred. And on May 7th they again received the amount spent by them from the head cashier. So petty cash account debit to cash account 2325. That is amount spent by them. Total expenses, amount of total expenses. Understood? Now from these entries we have to prepare ledger accounts. So let's prepare ledger accounts now. These are the ledger accounts in the books of Kapil Traders. First account will be petty cash account, okay, and then all expenses account. So petty cash account, then all the expenses, traveling and conveyance, printing and stationery, then postage and telegram, then telephone expenses account, after that refreshment account, and then miscellaneous expenses account. Okay, now we will do the posting in petty cash book. या जर्नल एंट्रीचं पोस्टिंग आपल्याला या जर्नल एंट्रीचं पोस्टिंग आपल्याला लेजर अकाउंट्समध्ये करायचं आहे. लेजर अकाउंट्स आपण ओपन केलेले आहेत. ओके, फर्स्ट एंट्री इज पेटी कॅश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅश अकाउंट. सो ऑन May 1st to cash account, amount received is 4000. Debit side of petty cash account to cash account means credit side of cash book by petty cash account 4000. कॅश बुकमध्ये पेटी कॅश बॉक्समधून मेन कॅशमधून कॅश बाहेर गेली असं दिसेल. ओके, आता सगळ्या एक्सपेन्सेस, ऑल एक्सपेन्सेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू पेटी कॅश अकाउंट म्हणजे सगळ्या एक्सपेन्सेसच्या डेबिट साईडला टू पेटी कॅश आणि पेटी कॅश अकाउंटच्या क्रेडिट साईडला ऑल एक्सपेन्सेस. ओके. सो ट्रॅव्हलिंग अँड कन्व्हेन्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू पेटी कॅश अकाउंट. डेबिट साईड ऑफ ट्रॅव्हलिंग अँड कन्व्हेन्स ऑन 6th May. Debit side of travelling and conveyance on 6th May to petty cash account. Amount is 260. Second posting. Debit side of travelling and conveyance to petty cash means credit side of petty cash by travelling and conveyance. Amount is 260. Okay. Then printing and stationery account. बघा, travelling and expenses account debit to petty cash. Now postage and printing and stationery account debit 635 to petty cash account 635. So debit side of printing and stationery account to petty cash account. Amount is 635. Second posting. Debit side of printing and stationery to petty cash means credit side of petty cash by printing and stationery. Amount is 635. Postage and telegram account debit 310 to petty cash. Debit side of postage and telegram. To petty cash account. Amount is 310. Second posting. Debit side of postage to petty cash means credit side of petty cash by postage. Amount is 310. Now telephone expenses account debit to petty cash account 440. So debit side of telephone expenses. Amount is 440. Second posting. Credit side of petty cash by telephone expenses account 440. Then refreshment account debit to petty cash. Debit side of refreshment to petty cash account. Amount is 600. Okay. Credit side of petty cash account by refreshment 600. Okay. And then miscellaneous expenses account debit 80 to petty cash account. Debit side of miscellaneous expenses account to petty cash account 80. Credit side of petty cash $80. Understood? In this way they will prepare the ledger accounts and post them into ledger. Okay. And now they will tally the petty cash account here. Debit total 4,000. Okay. Total of all these expenses as we know 2325. So difference will be 1675 on 7th by balance carried down, and below the total on May 7th to balance brought down. $1675. ओके. आता इथे माझ्याकडे जागा कमी आहे. आपण ही 7 मेची जी एंट्री केली आहे तिचं पोस्टिंग करायचं आहे. 7 मेला पेटी कॅश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅश अकाउंट. सो पेटी कॅश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कॅश अकाउंट 2325. अगेन अमाऊंट रिसिव्ड फ्रॉम द हेड कॅशियर. ओके. हे बाकीचे जे अकाउंट्स आहेत ते या वीकच्या नंतर टॅली होणार नाहीत, कारण पुढच्या वीकचं पोस्टिंग चालू होईल पुन्हा सगळ्या खर्चांचं. ओके. इन दिस वे इन पेटी कॅश बुक वी हॅव टू प्रिपेअर लेजर अकाउंट्स फ्रॉम this petty cash book. We have to pass all these entries in journal, and then from journal we will prepare these ledger accounts. Understood? That's all.